Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to change your age on TikTok. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open TikTok on your phone. Once you open it, you should go and click on your profile picture on the bottom right side. Once you go and click on your profile picture, go and click on these three horizontal lines on the top right side or the hamburger icon. Now go and click on settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll down until you get here to this section, which is called support and about. Click on report a problem. Once you click on report a problem, here you will have several options. Now, what you should do is to simply click on account and profile, then go and click on editing profile. Then here you will have some options. I just want you to click on other. Then here you should actually discuss or tell them exactly what is your problem. So simply I'll click on need more help. Then I'll tell them exactly I need to, okay, I will choose account, then click on I want to update my birth date. If you believe that the date of birth you entered is incorrect, please submit your request using this form. So you'll have to click on this blue icon. Then you'll have to fill in the form, tell them exactly. So go here to the topic, select an option, go and click on change date of birth, enter your username, contact email, additional details, upload the photo of the current date of birth. Then after that, check these two boxes, then hit the submit, and you're all done, and they will change your birthday date as soon as possible. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.